We just had some rain. We're at this property here in Pacific Beach near La Jolla, San Diego, California. Today is October 14th, 2025. You can see all the runoff on the street. Now we might think that was a lot of water. We did get some good clouds, but when we dig down into the soil, I don't know if my glasses can capture the color, but if we go down deep enough, you can see it's not as wet as the surface soil. So even though we did have some rain, it's not enough to penetrate to where the plants had like lots of water. So I don't think it was enough rain to turn off the timers. But since it's cloudy, it's not sunny, we can reduce a watering day. We can skip one day compared to just turning off the timer completely. And it looks like it's gonna rain some more, so we got some more raindrops. So everything looks good. I'm not gonna turn off the timer today, but I am gonna skip a day. So if it just watered yesterday, or if it's going to water today, or if it's going to water tomorrow, then I'll skip tomorrow or today's watering. See, everything got wet back here. This area is usually more, there's a lot of roots because of all the palms. We have a lot of plants back here. Wow, that's a lot of roots. You can see how the soil changes color when you dig deeper. So that's not completely wet. You can see the difference of the color. See right here, it's not even damp. So right now it's 2:50 p.m. It might rain some more. So I think that's all the changes I'm going to make to the timer. Just skip one watering day, and then next week when we come back, we'll see how the plants are doing, and then we'll see how the rest of the weather is for this week. And then we'll adjust the timer next week. 2:52 p.m. Okay, so we'll go to set programs. That's our lawn station. Okay, so that's our planters, our flower beds. We are watering Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so the next watering day is on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. So I'm going to remove Wednesday, and we'll let it water Friday. So for now it'll be Friday and Monday. Next week when we come, we'll see how everything looks and see if we can leave it for 2 days or if we'll need to add Wednesday back on. So yeah, that's the changes. Took Wednesday off. And then program B is the lawn. That's only watering for 4 minutes. 2, 3, 4. We're going to skip Wednesday. Yeah. Back to run. So yeah, it's going to water again on Friday for all the planters. And that should be fine. Yeah, the rain is back. We come and check the planters over here on the front side. Like here where we have bark. For example, if you have bark or wood chips, the bark is the first area that absorbs all that water. So down here, that rain that we just had, see how dry the soil is? If you have bark or mulch, that first hit of rain didn't even hit your soil. It got absorbed into your wood chips or your bark. So hopefully we do get more rain. It looks like we are. It started raining again. I'm gonna have to pack up and head out. So it looks like the rain is starting to come back. Hopefully this tip helps someone. If you have a timer, don't know if you need to cut back the watering time or if you need to turn off your timer. Just remember, if you have mulch, wood chips, bark, move them aside and then check your soil and dig into your soil and see how far that rain went down. Just some tips before you go and turn off your timers completely. Hopefully this helps someone, and see you guys next time.